Today I started my morning with simple but important chores around the homestead. I went to the chicken coop and began by cleaning it properly, making sure everything was neat and comfortable for the chickens. A clean space keeps them healthy and happy. It also makes work easier in the days that follows. Today I fed them cabbage and maize. I also filled their water containers so they always have clean, fresh water to drink throughout the day. After that, I took some time to care for their nesting area. I keep placing fresh grass inside to make it soft, warm, and comfortable for the hens to lay their eggs. But I noticed something interesting. Every time I put fresh grass in their nesting boxes, by the next day it's gone. Is this normal? Tell me in the comment section down below whether your chickens are doing this. After finishing the cleaning, I carefully collected the eggs one by one. It's always a satisfying moment seeing the result of daily care and consistency. Lately, I've been collecting eggs every single day as part of my morning routine. I walk into the chicken coop and check each nesting area carefully, finding fresh eggs that have been laid overnight. It's become a simple habit, but one I've really grown to enjoy. Each egg I collect feels like a small reward for the daily effort of feeding, cleaning, and taking care of them. It's not just work, it's a routine that brings a bit of peace and satisfaction before the rest of the day begins. Later, I gathered some of the waste around the compound and burned them to keep the compound clean and free from clutter. This helps maintain hygiene and keeps away any pests that might be attracted to rubbish. Finally, I went around the compound and swept everything clean. I removed the dirt and made sure the surroundings looked neat and organized. There's something peaceful about a clean compound. It brings a sense of order and calm to the whole place. I used tree branches and leaves to sweep the compound. It's a simple traditional way of cleaning, but it works very well, leaving the ground neat and fresh. In the end, everything looked fresh and well taken care of, and it felt good knowing the chores were done properly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos.